how's it going? Today I'll show you how to get the best adult applications that you can use on your Firestick totally for free. And the whole setup is going to be super easy. And now, without any further ado, let me show you how to get those apps to your device. So first of all, you'll have to get an app code unloader to your device. You can actually get it totally for free from your official Amazon App Store. To do so, we just go to search on your device, and here we'll need to start typing downloader in the search bar. So let's do it. And as you can see, downloader has already popped out for us at the bottom. So there was even no need for us to enter the whole name of the app. We click on downloader, and there's the app that you need to get to your device. But after you get the loader, it is not over yet. We still need to set it up. So in order to actually set up the loader, we'll have to go to the settings on your device by clicking on that button with the gear icon, then scroll down and go to My Fire TV. Open it, and here we'll have to turn on the developer options on your device. But on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Fire Stick devices, the developer options can be hidden by default. So if that's the case and you cannot find developer options anywhere, there is no need to worry, it's actually easy to make them appear. You just need to go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you'll have to click on the middle button on your remote for 7 times, and do it fast, so let's do it. And as you can see, now at the bottom for me it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case, and in your case it's going to say that you have become a developer now. So now, if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options, which now have appeared for us right here. Let's open them, make sure to turn on ADB debugging, then you'll have to go to install unknown apps. From here, just locate downloader and turn that option on. So what it does is going to allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in the official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. So now finally, let's go to the list of apps on your Fire Stick, which is right here, and there's the downloader, which is set up and ready to use on your device. But before actually using downloader, there's one more thing which we always recommend doing. It's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they're super fast. We got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they're not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is great pricing for us, the users. In a VPN app, you just connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to Norway right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is going to be totally encrypted. It means no one can track you or snoop on you online, and that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below the video or in the description of the video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now with the camera of your phone. It works the same way and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now finally, let's use downloader safely. So we gotta go to the list of apps on your device, start up the downloader application, and of course, wait until it loads for you. Then here on the left side menu, make sure to click on home and not on browser. That's really important. So make sure that you have clicked on home, and now here in that search bar, we'll need to start entering the code. The first code is gonna be 647190. So once again, it's 647190. Make sure to enter it exactly as you see and do not make any mistakes, because obviously if you make a mistake, then the code is not going to work. After that, you have to click on go, and while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel so you will get even more content about Firesticks, as well as please hit the like button below this video. It really helps me a lot, and this way I'll be able to create even more videos for you. And now that the load has started, here we just have to click on install button, and in a couple of moments the app is going to be installed to your device. And after it's installed, don't click on open yet, instead press on done, because here we'll have an option to delete the installation files, as we don't need them anymore on your device. So click on done, then delete and delete once again. This way we get rid of unnecessary files from your Firestick and save yourself some free space on your device. And that's really important, because you don't have too much of free space on your device anyway. Then finally, let's go to the list of apps on your device, open it, and there's the first adult application which we downloaded. I just had to blur out the logo of the app because YouTube may not like it, but in your case, of course, it's not going to be blurry. Just don't forget to keep your VPN connected to stay safe and totally private online while using such applications. And now let's go back to the loader so I could show you a couple more codes which you can use to get different adult apps to your device. So the second code is going to be 851564. So once again, it's 851564. That's a code for a super new application which just recently came out. You probably never heard of, but it is an amazing app which is super easy to use, and they got millions of adult movies inside, which is, well, amazing. And now the download has started. Let's just wait until the app is finally downloaded to your device. Hit the installation button and just give it a couple of seconds until it is finished. And then click on done so you could get rid of unnecessary installation files from your device, and then delete, of course, this file. And now when you go to the list of apps on your device, you'll find the second app which we just downloaded. Once again, I had to blur out the logo of the app for the same reason as previously. And now let's go back to the loader so I could show you the last code for today. The code is going to be 953562. So once again, 953562. Hit the go button. And in a couple moments the app will be downloaded to your device. Then as always we hit the installation button and wait until it is installed. And of course never forget to get rid of installation files of that app. And then when you go to the list of apps on your device, here you'll find all those free applications that we downloaded for you today. I hope you're going to enjoy them, and of course don't forget to keep the VPN connected to stay private online. See you next time, bye bye.